Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Today, we're tackling a future-facing threat that could change everything we know about digital security.
So let's just start with a wild thought. What if every single digital secret could be unlocked in an instant? Imagine a key that could open every digital lock. Your bank accounts, private messages, even national security secrets.
You know, this isn't science fiction. It's the potential reality of something called quantum computing. And believe me, it poses a massive threat to our current security.
Okay, so let's back up. How does our digital world stay safe right now? Well, it's all protected by modern encryption, which is basically an incredibly complex digital padlock. The math problem behind it is so tough that even the fastest supercomputers we have today would take billions of years to crack it. It's, virtually impossible.
And this is where the game completely changes. A regular computer, or a classical computer, solves problems one by one. It's like trying every key on a keychain until one works. Slow. But a quantum computer? Whoa! It plays by a different set of rules. It can explore millions of possibilities all at once, making it the ultimate code breaker for the systems we use today.
Now here's the really unsettling part. This means that data we encrypt and store today, data we think is perfectly safe, could be stolen right now and just held on to. Hackers could be waiting for this technology to mature, and then, boom, all those secrets are wide open. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is, experts are not waiting for this threat to arrive. They are proactively building the next generation of digital security. You could call it a quantum shield.
And this is the solution, something called quantum-resistant cryptography. In simple terms, we're creating new math problems that are hard for all types of computers to solve, both classical and quantum. It's about future-proofing our data.
And this isn't just an idea. It's a real plan that's already in motion. First, scientists are designing these new encryption methods. Then, experts are creating global standards so everyone is on the same page. And finally, leaders are planning how to move all of our systems over to this new, stronger security. It's a huge global upgrade.
So, the big question isn't really if this will happen, but are we ready to upgrade our entire digital world for it? Protecting our data, our privacy, and even our national security requires us to stay informed and to support these forward-looking strategies. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.